What are you doing? The others need it. Send it to them. Look, Liam is waiting for you. Take it to them now. Come on. Whoa! Watch out, Tiny! Whoa! Hey, Sonny!
Last time we came here, I hit the thing and I went so hard that I hit the tires.
Can you give it to them, please? Whoa, 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 whoa! Voila! Whoa!
That was awesome.
It was awesome, wasn't it? Hey, I'd like to capture that as well. Go ahead, show me. No, not me. Whoa! I went through that. Did you see it? What are you doing, crazy? Oh, not you again. Whoa! Oh, sorry. All right. Come in.
Yesterday I got painful, today I
Whoa! 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 Hey, you guys are very low.
Yeah, I'm really falling off.
You're falling off.
Can you grab him? Can you
Yeah,
grab him?
I got him. All right, come up. There you go. Oh, brilliant. How you doing? Good.
Oh.
Some of the parents are like arriving. So like Donna.
All right.
They have the stuff.
Yeah.
So she's up there. Obviously there's no one next to her.
All right. I'll send to how do you know? Yeah. You two can go and we'll come. A photo. I took a video actually. I'll give it to your mom. Is that okay?
Can I see it?
You want to see it? All right. I'll show it to you now. Come on.
I want to see too.